Good morning, dear student. In our English, our second unit name is Scientist and Invention. So here in this video, you have to learn about the scientist and what is the pattern and what is the invention done by the particular scientist, and for that we can enjoy our today's morning modern life. So first of all, here the famous Indian scientist here. So necessity is said to be the mother of invention. Necessity. Whenever we need something, so the human being try to invent something. So invention is said that necessity is said to be the mother of invention. So whenever we need any things, then we try to achieve something, try to invention something. So human being need help, then we try to invent something here. So it is said necessity is said to be the mother of invention. Then scientists are curious to know and explore different things and process around them. So scientists are not the simple person. They are curious. They are ready to know different things and explore. They search something and different things and process around them. Whatever happened in our surrounding, they try to study. They try to find out the solution of any question arise. So they simply not observe that particular things, but they try to know why the things happen here, why the such things are happen here. They thinks about, then after they also find out the solution of particular things occur in our surrounding. Like Isaac Newton, when the apple fall down from the tree, so he tried to think here why the apple fell down here, but no, not to go upper side in the sky here. Then after he give the rules for the gravitational force about earth here. Same as here, the scientists are very curious and we enjoy all the comfort of a knowledge as well as life today. So due to this, the scientist has done the good job. Due to this, we all enjoy the comfort of knowledge. We have good knowledge about each and everything. We can get the knowledge today about each and everything due to efforts of such a scientist, famous scientists here, and we enjoy our modern life with the all kinds of the facility available here in modern life. So these would have not been possible without the efforts and success of a numerous scientific invention here. If we have no scientific invention, so we have to live our life in a olden days the people live their life such a way here, but now we have more machines, invention in science, technology, medicine, surgery also, and many more machineries are available in a market, in a world. So we enjoy our life better than old people, ancient people. So we can say that it is only the efforts of our scientists. Some of the famous scientists of India are Aryabhat, Chanakya, C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, C.V. Rao, Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Bhabha, and many more here. So these are the list of Indian scientists like Aryabhat, Chanakya, C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, C.R. Rao, Vikram Sarabhai, Homi Bhabha, and many more here. So let us read more about some of the famous Indian scientists here. First of all, Vikram Sarabhai was born in Ahmedabad on 12th August 1990 in a Jain family here. So first, Vikram Sarabhai was born in Ahmedabad. Our first scientist, that is Vikram Sarabhai, and he was born in 12th August 1990 in a Ahmedabad in a Jain family. and the establishment of the Indian Space Research Organization. It is the full form of ISRO. In shortly, we can say that ISRO, but the full form Indian Space Research Organization. It is a space technology here. Due to the efforts of Vikram Sarabhai, we have the ISRO Institute, and ISRO Institute launched the rocket, etc. And by the efforts of Vikram Sarabhai. So he launched here the ISRO and was one of his greatest achievement here for the India here. Then he also supported Dr. Homi Bhabha in setting up the first rocket launching station in India here. So here, due to launch here the first rocket in a space, so Dr. Vikram Sarabhai also helped to Dr. Homi Bhabha to setting up the first rocket to launch here in the space. So here Dr. Vikram Sarabhai is one kind of the founder of the ISRO, as well as he gave the patent here for the space research technology. Then next second, Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba. In short, we can say that Homi Baba, widely regarded as the father of Indian nuclear science program here. Nuclear science. He has interested in a nuclear science, and nuclear is used to electric for the generation of the electricity, might be for the uses of the agriculture, for the medicine purpose, and for the make the nuclear bomb here to destroy the world here. Nuclear effect. Nuclear effect, the small bomb of nuclear is able to destroy whole world here, but it is a negative usage of the nuclear. But nuclear also help in agriculture, for the medical also, and some important research, and for the producing the nuclear energy that is help to create the electricity. So Dr. Homi Bhabha gave the patent for the nuclear science, and he was an Indian nuclear physicist, founding director, founding director here for the nuclear. The father of nuclear, we can also say that here Dr. Homi Bhabha comes the first for the nuclear science here, and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research here. Who done here the fundamental, the basic physics pattern is done by the Homi Baba, and he was professor of physics. Physics is one kind of the subject of science. It is a part of science. It is a part of science here, physics, and the professor of Tata Institute of Fundamental Research here. So he was the father of nuclear, we can also say, and he was the Indian nuclear physicist, founding director, and professor of physics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research here. Then Aryabhat. Then Aryabhat. Aryabhat was an Indian mathematician and astronomer here. Aryabhat gave the concept here. He gave the concept of zero and the place value system in maths here. So also here Aryabhat was the famous maths mathematician and astronomer who gave about planet, who give the efforts of science, planet, star, sun, moon, about space here. So we can say that he is a famous mathematician and astronomer. Effect of a planet, then stars, and another asteroid occurs in a sky here. So whatever happens in the sky, so he was study here like the astronomer. Aryabhat was an Indian mathematician and astronomer. He gave the concept of zero. We have the name Aryabhat is famous for the concept of zero and the place value system in math. We have place value system in a maths by the efforts of the Aryabhat. We can easily counting our digit, all the digit, our sum by the efforts of the Aryabhat. So Aryabhat give the concept of zero and place value system in a maths here first time. So we remember Aryabhat also as a famous Indian mathematician and astronomer here. Then Sir Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman was an Indian physicist here. Physics, one kind of the parts of the science, and we can say that Chandrasekhar Venkat Raman, in a short form CV Raman. We can say that CV Raman, one scientist here, and he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his discovery in a physics known as the Raman effect. So we can say that here C.V. Raman was an Indian physicist. He was famous in physics and he was awarded the Nobel Prize. We give each and every year Nobel Prize for the literature, for the science, who do the best, who do the great for the humankind. Not only the great, but the greatest work is done by the person. We give the Nobel Prize, one award to them who do the best of all his work for the beneficial for the help of humankind, for the welfare of the humankind, who do the best work for the humankind. We give the Nobel Prize, our government give the Nobel Prize for the person who do the best for the humankind here. So he awarded the Nobel Prize for the physics in 1930 for his discovery in physics known as Raman effect. So now today we are also use the Raman effect for the research here in a physics and for the discovery of new pattern in our surrounding. It means scientists are more curious. They not only stop their work, but they are thinking, and they are not only simple thinking. They give the solution of their thinking. They try to search new things happen here. They simply not observe like common people observe that particular thing, but they try to find out why the such a things if occurred here in surrounding, and they try to find out the solution here. And due to the efforts of such a famous scientist, we have the modern life, we have the good medical surgery, we have the machinery, and we have the world can enjoy their life better than the ancient people, better than the old people. It means before life and modern life we have the vast variety of difference we can see there. So all the things are available by the efforts of such a Indian scientist here. Okay, thank you.